they try to make you feel like pain on me. But you know, like I know that trouble will never last. Yeah. So hold your head up high. God is on your side. And he loves you. And he cares. He's so faithful.
Hey guys, it's Taeshon Miller, and today I am working with a company by the name of Dynasty Goddess. I wanted to highlight this hair, so I am going to begin by bleaching it. I have a 12-inch closure and 3 bundles of 14-inch in straight. The hair is extremely full, so I decided to only bleach 2 bundles. I used 3 scoops of bleach and I eyeballed my 50 volume developer. I don't want it to be too soupy, so I just worked it in gradually until I got a nice thick consistency. Once I spreaded it all over my hair, I went ahead and brushed it in with my bleaching brush. I'm going for a ombre look, so that's why I left the tops of it black. The dome cap that I used is the Japanese swim cap. Here's the closure. I love the way it came out with just 2 bleaches. The first initial bleach was for me to get the brownish color, and then when I bleached it in certain areas, I got the extra highlights. So this is the 12-inch closure that the company sent me. I love it. It still has all its bounce and luster even after bleaching it twice. Right now I am just sewing down the closure in the back portion, and I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, I wanted a frontal, but I didn't want a frontal from ear to ear. So I decided to take a piece of a frontal that I had from a while ago and just add 1 piece of it to my closure to give me a half of frontal. This part is very tedious. Make sure you sew extremely tight and close. If you sew it tight and close, it will be extremely seamless. Now I'm going to go ahead and tack down the rest of the closure and move on for time's sake to my bundles. Again, I am only sewing 2 bundles, and I'm not showing my method. I will link other videos to see the method on how I sew in my bundles. Now you want to go ahead and grab your favorite foundation, and you want to go ahead and just cover up the lace portion of your frontal or partial frontal. Now she is ready to be placed on. I did not add a strap because sometimes the straps give me a headache, and I make the wigs so good that I don't really need a strap because they stay on pretty secure. I did decide though to go ahead and just tack down the back only because I didn't have hair all the way to the bottom since this was supposed to be a bob. Here I am showing you how natural this looks, and it's not even glued or bonded down. Now I'm going to continue to tack down my wig around the perimeter, and when I get up to the part by my ear, I'm just going to go backwards to just put some extra security. Now that I'm all done, I decided that I wanted to get that messy, wet out of the shower look. So I just got my spray bottle and I wet down the hair so that I could go ahead and create some little baby hairs to make it look a little bit more believable, and I am done. Alright everyone, so this is the finished product. I am done. So let me give you a little bit of insight with this hair. First of all, I would like to say I am extremely amazed that I still have one bundle left. Literally, I still have one bundle left. So I ended up just using the 2 bundles and a closure. Now you did see me make a partial frontal because I want to be able to put this side back like so. So what I did was some old piece of a frontal that I cut a while ago. I just took one little piece of that. I actually got 5 pieces, but I took one piece, and that's what's right here, and that's what you saw me in the beginning sewing it together when I used the black thread. I'm in love. I am in love. Now I do want to say a few things. This is supposed to be a bob, and it still will be a bob, but because I'm feeling it so much with this length, I decided, I can't keep my hands out of it, y'all. I decided to wet it and leave it. And I'm in love with this hair because you guys see that this hair is straight. This is straight hair. And when you wet it, it gets like a little slight wave. And then as it dries, it turns almost into a very, very, very loose body wave. And I'm here for that because it's really, really natural looking, and I absolutely love it. So let me get up close so you guys can see here. Now, I do not have any got to be glue on my edges at all. And that's because I did not want hard edges. I did not want to lay my edges down with the got to be glue. What I did was my own hairline, because I literally have hair all the way up here. I just slicked that back a little bit with the got to be glued, and I prefer the black one over the yellow one in case you were wondering. I know I do have a video out saying about how it's damaging and everything, but I feel like with the proper care and with using the black one, you don't have to go through all that, because what I experienced with the yellow got to be glued is that one, it gets really gunky and slimy, and I don't like that. So once again, nothing is down. You see that? Nothing is down. I just have it sitting there, and I sewed the perimeter. And the reason why the back, you're probably wondering why, of course, it's not all the way down to the bottom. Well, because again, it's supposed to be a bob. So when this video gets to 150 likes, I will go ahead and cut this and turn it into a nice feathery bob, and it will be a full talk through tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full spin of the finished product, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.
Swiss air, flying so high like a billionaire. I go to Swiss banks with my Swiss cheese. The only thing I gotta say is please. And I yodel, and I dance. No one can stop me now, cause I'm the man. And I yodel, and I dance. No one can stop me now, cause I'm the man. I'm the man. cheese. The only thing I gotta say is please. And I yodel, and I dance. No one can stop me now, cause I'm the man. And I yodel, and I dance. No one can stop me now, cause I'm the man.
Don't